Good day, everyone. Today I will answer some questions about the curricular modification in basic education after the pandemic. So, the pandemic exposed inequalities in access to education and highlighted the need for flexible and adaptable learning methods. I agree with the changes emphasizing digital literacy and social emotional learning as these skills are crucial for success in a rapidly changing world. Blended learning works best for me, combining the structure in-person learning with the flexibility of online resources. I'll use this in my classroom by offering a mix of online and offline activities to cater to diverse learning styles. I would focus on low-tech, hands-on activities and collaborative projects and community-based learning to ensure all students can learn effectively, even without consistent internet access or gadgets. How can you take care of your students' mental health and emotions as a future teacher? I would create a safe and supportive classroom environment where students feel comfortable sharing their feelings, and regular check-ins and class discussions about emotions would be key part of this. What are the good and bad sides of using digital tools like Zoom or Google Classroom? How can you make sure all your students can access them? The pros and cons of digital tools offer increased accessibility and engagement, but can exacerbate the digital divide. To ensure access, I'd advocate for equitable technology distribution and provide offline alternatives. Why is it important for teachers to understand laws like RE 10533 and DPA LCC? How do they support curriculum changes? These laws provide a framework for improving education and ensuring equitable access. Understanding them helps me implement the curriculum effectively and advocate for my students' needs. How will you teach both academic lessons and life skills like problem solving and communication at the same time in your class? I'll use project-based learning and real-world scenarios to integrate life skills like problem solving and communication into academic lessons, making learning